Welcome to the Hosting a Coupon Code channel. If you landed here, chances are you're planning to purchase Hostinger hosting and want the best deal possible. You probably already come across a 10% coupon code somewhere on the internet. And while that's better than nothing, why settle for less when a full 20% discount is sitting right here waiting for you? I have put together an exclusive coupon link that automatically applies a 20% discount. No copying and pasting codes, no guesswork. It works across all countries in your local currency and language. So no matter where you're tuning in from, this deal is for you. Simply click the link I've provided and you land directly on Hostinger's official website with the discount already locked in. Once you're on the site, head over to the nav bar and click on products and services. You'll find everything. Hostinger offers cloud hosting, web hosting, the website builder and Hostinger business email all laid out clearly. For this walkthrough, I'm going to demonstrate using Hostinger VPS hosting. You'll see all the available VPS plans KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. I'm selecting the KVM2 plan. And just like that, when I proceed to checkout, the 20% discount is already applied automatically, no extra steps needed. One important tip before you go, always use a fresh email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before, as the discount is typically available for new signups. If this video saved you some money, show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Your support keeps this content coming.